Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and Facebook page information. In this particular video, I will tell you a little bit side effect of anaprox. So first of all, if you are using, you may stomach upset including nausea, vomiting, and heartburn. Constipation or pain in the stomach is also there. Loss of appetite, dizziness, light headaches, drowsiness, buzzings or rankings in the ears, itching and mild skin rashes. Fluid retention or shortness of breath is also a main side effect of naproxen sodium. So if you have this kind of problem side effect, you need to directly contact to the doctor. But these are not so severe. In some cases, it may be severe, especially for those they are stomach problem. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you.